again. Did you see that picture on Facebook of Adeline with this big thing behind her? Okay, you have to be just as careful. Okay. So this one's taking a while.
Wow, look at that go!
Careful. Don't put it out. Don't like your little nose being so close. Now he's going to take a picture of you. Okay, now just hold it. Hold it up and look at it.
Whoa.
Not too close, though. A little further away.